Today you decided to heed the call of all Nigerians, to reassure all Nigerians that we, the field commanders, will work very hard come 2015 election to ensure that PDP's presence in government houses in Nigeria will not be less than 29 in number. Will not be less than 29 in number. Somebody saying 30. Did you say 30, Abia? I heard you. I heard you. And God has heard you. Some people are saying that we may end up with about 36. Why are we here, Mr. President? We are here because you decided to heed the call of all Nigerians and you are declaring your intention to go for a second term in office. We were the first set in the country to notice your efforts in transforming Nigeria. We came together as field commanders and as governors of our various states. We discussed in a major retreat for about 2 days. We went around the geopolitical zones of the country and we saw your transformation efforts. We went down and saw the dams and the irrigation projects in the north. We saw what you are doing in the railway system. We noticed your efforts at empowering our farmers. We took cognizance of the revolution in the power sector. We looked at the many roads that you have started across Nigeria. We looked at the fact that today agriculture is business in Nigeria. Mr. President, after taking cognizance of your efforts, we the governors resolve that we are not going to contest against you. We are not going to show any interest in the presidency. That we must give you a second term in office for you to complete your good work. President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, PDP governors are saying carry, go. We are saying carry, go. We are saying carry, go. But Mr. President, we know that the route to 2015 is not going to be very smooth. But we are assuring you that at the end of the tunnel, victory is yours. And victory belongs to all of us. And victory remains that of the PDP. Now let me tell you something, Mr. President. We will never be intimidated. We will not be intimidated. You are like a David in the Bible. You are fighting all the wars today so that future presidents in Nigeria can have peace. We recognize that. You are taking the right steps by building the Al-Majiri schools, particularly in northern Nigeria, and building other schools in the south. You have decided to take education as a major step to educate Nigerian children so that they will not be misled in future again. Never again shall people mislead our children into terrorism. Never again shall our children succumb to insurgency. We are witnessing something that is totally un-Nigerian. And we are saying, do not be intimidated. We are behind you. Do not be intimidated. We are very happy when we watch the television and we see one particular advert that says that those who are behind you are more than those who are against you. Those who are behind you are more than those who are against you. In 2015, all Nigerians are going to tell you that we are behind you. We are against terror. We are against enemies of progress. We are against propaganda. We are against blackmail. Mr. President, even the opposition has no plan for Nigeria. Many of them are fighting selfish wars. Many of them are coming because of their personal aggrandizement. Many of them are coming out trying to sponsor instability in Nigeria. We cannot hand over the federal government of Nigeria to enemies of progress. We cannot hand over Nigeria to people who are trying to destabilize us. We cannot hand over our future to people who are blackmailers, who are propagandists. We assure you that working with you, the PDP governors will go with you, shoulder to shoulder, leg in leg, and 2015, we shall deliver, 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 we shall deliver. PDP! We encourage you, Mr. President. Thank you, and God bless all of you.
One round of applause for the PDP family. All the governors of the PDP are here. Sign Carigo. What's gonna be is gonna be. So goes it way. What's gonna be is gonna be. Following the governors. What's gonna be is gonna be.
What goes up must come down. What's gonna be is gonna be. There's nothing you can do. Everybody sing with us. What's gonna everybody. What goes up must come down. Everybody. What's gonna be is gonna be. There's nothing you can do about it. What's gonna be is gonna be. One more time. What goes up must come down. What's gonna be is gonna be. There's nothing you can do about it. Here's all I gotta say. I believe that God gives power to whom He wants. But once you got power, I believe that you want to use your power to protect the weak and the innocent. And I believe that that's the man that our president is. So one more time, let's join hands as we sing this song. Everybody. It's gonna be. What goes up must come down. What's gonna be is gonna be. Ain't nothing you can do. I hear you say out there. What's gonna be is gonna be. What goes up must come down. What's gonna be is gonna be. Ain't nothing you can do about it. 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 Thank you.
May I invite the chairman of the Presidential Declaration Committee. Whilst he's on the way, may we not ask Nato C to sign on stage. Nato C. Nato C, please. May I very quickly invite the chairman of the National Assembly and the president of the Senate, Okpokpo Ulukidoma, Senator Dr. David Abimak, GCON, and all senators in the arena and members of the Federal House of Representatives to the podium. Nato C, please.
Abago, 17.
2, 1, 2, 2.
We would like to dedicate this song to Mr. President for transforming our lives. Hey! Things are not the same. Things are not the same. No, things are not the same. No, things are not the same. Devils have changed now. Hold me again, 10 over 10. No feed, hold me again, 10 over 10. 10 over, 10 over, 10 over. 10 over, 10 over, 10 over. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Now 10 over 10. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Now 10 over 10. I'll be told you. 10 over 10, 10 over 10, shake it out. 10 over 10, 10 over 10, shake it out. 10 over 10, 10 over 10.